Okay, let's do this. Been preparing for an hour. Nope, 2 hours. I was gonna say an hour and a half. 2 hours for this. 2 hours. If I just right click. Damn, a singular right click does that, okay. I don't know, man, I think I might win. I had to turn down like my graphics settings just to get this to work. Because I'm sure you can see the amount of things I have here is quite ridiculous, to say the least. I don't even think I've fired my main attack for like the past 40 minutes, aside from just now. I think this is the craziest I've ever gone for a match. I'm not sure. I've had a multi-run that was about this bad, but oh fuck, not this stuff. This is fucking ridiculous, this one, because it just keeps pushing me, oh my god. Yeah, I'm interested to see my stats for this run. I don't know why it's on medium, I swear I selected monsoon. I noticed that like an hour into my game, I was like, what the fuck is going on? Oh, my PC's getting hot, I gotta get this over with. My PC is like 4 or 5 years old now, so I really gotta get this done. Because, you know, I want to be able to play Lethal Company with the guys, so... Ooh. It's all, you know what, I'm gonna blame it all on these fucking... Where are they? These guys, the Defiant Gouges, those things are crazy. Thank God, now I can go do this shit.
What a joke!
No, oh my god, it's another one, dude. Are you shitting me? Thank you. I want to see what my special ability does. I just want to see if my special ability can kill him in one shot. I've been doing this for 2 hours. I'm tired, man. It's in the morning too. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this, bitch. Come here. Yeah, get fucked. Yeah. Hey, so it's 1 AM. And I'm gonna beat Mithrix using only my right click as multi, using backup magazines. I think it'd be really funny. 654k. Wow. Usually when you get to this point in the game, it's more of an endurance run to see if your PC crashes I think mine's been fine so far. I stuttered twice back like, I don't know, half an hour ago? Maybe? I don't even know. Like, I've held like a consistent 60, 70, 80 frames a second. Is this a red? Oh my god, I'm gonna... I gotta go with the frost, or whatever the fuck it's called. I haven't... You see that thing on the bottom where it's like showing my items that I get? I haven't not seen a... Oh, there it is. The one time I say it. I haven't not seen a time where it's been like that for like the past hour. Wow. What if I just use the crowbar? I'm gonna see what it does to Mithrix, the crowbar. That's my one exception. I'll use my mouse to the entire other rest of the game. I just want to see what it does to Mithrix, I'm not gonna lie. Probably could make it up there just by hopping. I beat Halcyon, or whatever the fuck the guy's name was. Lost Son? The guy's brother. This guy's brother. Character is... That's a quarter of his health. That's 3.2 million damage. I didn't click it. Okay, I mean, technically it's 20 million damage, but like, who the fuck's counting at this point? Okay, that's wild. Okay, time to right click. Oh my god. Okay, first time playing this update. Let's see what's going on. Such a great idea to have that. There's probably multiple of those throughout the map, and if I'm getting like that many sentry keys. I guess there's at least 3 of these to do. There's probably a boss battle with those. Crazy, dude. What the fuck? Get the fuck away from me, my Q isn't even working. Oh my god. I am so glad that I had whatever the fuck that was on me. Big ball. Must be Zenyatta's dad. Bro, what? Let me the fuck out. Hello, sir. What are you? My way out? It is! Thank you, sir. Jesus, that is so obscure, it actually pissed me off a little bit. Is there one for movement speed with this? I feel like there is. Ow, dude. Watch him, like, come alive immediately. What is this? Enter main, like... Dude. Are you shitting me? I could just leave right now? Fuck you. No, I'm doing whatever the hell this, like, side quest is, dude. This must be, like, the how to get the second, character. The only thing that I haven't really, like, Googled, like, past the prestige, thingamajig, I haven't really Googled, like, how to do anything in this game, or in the new update, so I'm literally just figuring this shit out as we go. So I'm, like 90% sure this is what I'm supposed to do for the next character. I did not pay attention to what I was supposed to do. I just assumed I'd, like, Google it later, but, like, since I started recording, I was like, yeah, might as well try and figure it out yourself, you lazy fuck. So, you know what, maybe I will. Maybe I will this time. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? No, I know that sounded so fucking forced too. That sounded like, what the fuck? Oh no. Oh dude, that sounded so bad, but like... Oh, there it is! Okay, I'm just stupid, I didn't even look. Okay. It literally just is what you're supposed to do. Cool. Good to know. This character's fucking sick, too. I forgot what his name is. This character's sick. Even 1 hour of this game tires me. Am I done with the game now? Can you leave me alone? Fuck. Oh. Piece of shit fucking game. You play Incredibox, you asshole. Die, please. Why are you sitting on the help? Why? Whatever, dude, I'm leaving. We'll figure that out a different time. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's like a shop guy or something? I don't know. Hello? My game crashed? My game fucking crashed. Oh my god. Oh! Risk of Rain 2. My game was going good. Oh. Whatever. Next time. See you next time.